So I saw this recipe on Facebook and I was like, I have to try this in the air fryer. I'm using a Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart air fryer. It is 1700 watts. So if you have a different model, the cooking time may vary. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm only going to be making one of these today. I have a Granny Smith apple. Use your favorite apple. I have some cinnamon sugar here. And we're going to need some caramels, and I got some chocolate chips, which I'm going to melt later. We're going to drizzle that over the top. And we also are going to need some melted butter, which I do not have sitting here right now. I'm going to go ahead and cut this apple in half. I'm going to take a melon baller and core out the apple. Okay, now that we have these cored, I'm going to go ahead and brush some melted butter over the top. Take our cinnamon sugar, sprinkle some over the apples. I'm going to be using the pan that came with my air fryer. If you don't have one of these pans, you can use any oven-safe dish that will fit in your air fryer, or you can use one of them disposable tin pans. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water to the bottom of this. If my pan looks a little dirty, it's because this is my second attempt at these. I was not happy the way it turned out, so I'm doing it again. Okay, we are ready to go put these in the air fryer. Okay, I'm just going to pop these in our air fryer basket. We are going to start out on 350 degrees for 8 minutes. Okay, our 8 minutes is up. I brought these over back to the table. We are now going to add our caramels. When I first did this, I only added 2. And it really needed 3. See if I can get 3 in each of these. Okay, let's move back on over to the air fryer. Okay, so I'm going to do 350 degrees for 6 minutes to melt these caramels. Okay, our 6 minutes is up. Let's check out our caramels, and they are all nicely melted. All right, I have my chocolate chips melted. I put it in a baggie, cut the tip off. I'm just going to go ahead, just going to drizzle some over the top. Yum. Okay, now we are ready to take a bite of this lusciousness. Get some caramel in here. My goodness. That is hot. Making a mess. That is some caramely apple chocolatey goodness right there. But you know what? Personally, I think I would leave the chocolate off. That's just my opinion. So I think the issue with the chocolate was I used semi-sweet chocolate chips instead of milk chocolate. Milk chocolate would have given it a little milder flavor, and I think that would have worked out a whole lot better. So keep that in mind. My husband also said too, it was just too chocolatey. That's all he could taste was the chocolate. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so and click on that bell below. That will notify you immediately when I post a new video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.